bubble come out already, then you take out.
Oh.
1 minute only, take out. It's all the dream out. After no more water already, you can stop it to squeeze.
What is that?
No, this one is smell.
Smell good.
Smell
Lemon.
Yeah, lemon. No need, you no need lah. This one because I want the smell only. So no
Oh.
more already, it's separate. It's all only.
So that is.
2 times a week. Every 4-5 days, taking water.
I want to buy. I go first the grocery. This one, this one is what is the blue color there?
This one blue color. This
Is
one,
how much?
This one 100.
Blue. 600.
180.
Oh.
180 blue color.
180.
This one 130 small.
Where is the 70?
73.
I want the 70 only.
This one.
Oh, too small.
This one. This one.
That's the
This one
70. Where's the 50? That one?
50. Promotion. 50. Then you buy 5 ringgit. You can get this one. Then you get this here.
Together.
Also 2 times a week.
50 and then you give me that.
No, 5 ringgit this one, 50 this one. The promotion original 70. Now promotion 50 ringgit, then you put up 5 ringgit and get 55 like this. One set.
Okay, 55. One set.
How to care the plant?
I know, but sometimes die.
You like plant?
That's why I like plants. And then sir also like original. He don't like the artificial. And this one?
This one 90.
90.
But this one you see the leaf very small one.
Very small. This is the one I like.
This one more.
Same. I will come back. I do this one. How much?
This one 90.
80.
90.
Oh, 90.
Pink color.
I don't. This one is 90 also.
This one also nice.
Very good smell.
Let's say you have a tray, you display like this. Also put the paper. One set.
Oh, so this is
90.
90.
Free this one. 50 no free. This one promotion no free.
Oh,
This one all normal price free.
it's okay. I will come back. I want that one and then I pay you 55. I go first to. I will ask my boss. So that's the one I like. I put in the water. Okay.
Yeah, soaking water twice a week.
This one I will buy. I will ask sir. He like this. I know he will like. But this orange, I like this. But what?
This is a money tree.
Money?
Money tree. Money plant is this one. Money tree is this one.
But that one need to hang, right? Cannot sit down or cannot like this.
Both also can.
Can I try? Cause I want the money tree. I want the money
You
tree.
can hang it. You don't want, you put it also can.
Oh, but not so
This one also 70.
70. That one is not money tree.
You want it? Cup. Cup mini cup.
What is that?
The name mini cup. This is a money plant. This is money tree. Money plant, money tree, mini cup.
Money tree. I'm back. I am back. I tell to my boss. Where's the money plant? I tell to my boss that I will buy.
This one, last one. You put this so one already. No,
You see this is the one, money
it's a
plant.
money tree. It's money plant.
Oh, money tree. How much that money tree?
130.
Okay. 130. But you can give me like that.
Yeah, come with the plate. Do one side first.
So this is money tree. That is money plant. Okay. This is money tree I want.
You want money tree?
Yeah.
A few design.
Which one the nice? Give me idea, brother, that it won't die. So this is the money tree. Okay, because I tell my boss last night, he wants me to come back because if I want, he will give because he knows from in for the house, you know. So then I showed the video. He said, okay, he give me the money already.
No 50 ringgit, eh?
Huh?
No 50 ringgit.
Oh, no. Okay, I want that. And give me some tips how to grow more. So this is the name. So I come back just to buy the plants. I love plants, that's why. So from Messi Bula? Oh, Mosi Bula. Okay. With a handsome okay.
Water once a week.
Once a week.
Container.
Okay.
So you put water. And the whole pot sit in. Let it stay about 5 minutes.
Oh. 5
Slowly,
minutes.
the water will come down. Stop already 5 minutes. Then you take out. Then you throw the dream up. Even you want to stop it,
squeezing a bit.
No water come out already. You display back.
Oh, okay.
Once a week.
And
no overwatering.
Once a week. Okay, brother. Thank you so much for the tips. Hopefully it grow more and then I will contact you to say thank you. Yeah.
It tastes like lemon.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I want to find something there.
So hold this one. Okay, give to Uncle Kai. 100. Hello. Okay, here Kai. So this is the name Mosi Bula. The cactus. I also like cactus.
Yeah, me too. This is chicken.
Chicken. Got chicken.
Gosh.
What's that?
What is called money tree.
Oh, okay, money tree.
Okay. Using container, soaking water, 5 minutes until bubbles stop. 5 minutes already, then you take out like a short dream once a week.
Okay.
This kind of tree, less water.
Okay.
Dryness normal. Humidity, if can you spray more water because you are newly very thin. Spray water let it stronger.
Okay. Thank you.
Don't direct sun means
No direct in the sun?
Yeah, 12 to 4 sun at the center. Super
Oh,
hot,
okay,
they will die.
okay.
Don't too near oven, microwave, aircon compressor. The
No.
heat come out, will dry. The heat very hot. The oven,
But-
microwave.
Oh, yeah.
Don't
Oh.
too near.
I put in the living room.
Living room, yeah. If any indoor plant open some window, then
More air. So
yeah.
need to open some window.
Yeah, then natural wind come in.
Oh, okay.
So I put inside here.
Thank
Okay, I give you back
you.
the pallet to wait for a while.
I want some.
Wait. The 50 ringgit gone already? Oh, no, it's there. Thank you.
2,000 years later.